Here's a 1956 Mercury Monterey Phaeton 4-door hardtop. Yeah, this is stuff that was popular from the 50s, 60s, 70s, a tray for the A&W. Seems to be a thing of the past now. Got the V8 in it. Yeah, not the Y block, it's a lot more modern motor. Air conditioning compressor, dual master cylinder brakes, power steering. Got the fancy wire wheels. Got the Mercury emblem on the front. Beautiful chrome bumpers. Got the air conditioning vents on the back. The air conditioning controls. Power windows. Got the ducting there for the roof and the roof vents for the air. One for the rear passenger, one for the front passenger, then there'll be two more on the driver's side. Continental kit. Mercury air conditioner. Walk around the other side. You see how the grille and the bumper are kind of integrated into each other. Phaeton. Power window control for the driver's door. Air conditioning vents for the driver's side. Lots of chrome. Just a beautiful all-round mid-50s car. Got the dice. Even got the curb feelers to protect those wide white walls.